On June 8, 2026, Rene Baterbonia, 19, and Divine Adili, 21, passed away in a drowning incident while on a team-building trip with the Ateneo Blue Eagles men's basketball team at a resort in Dipaculao, Aurora. Adili, a foreign student athlete from Nigeria, was known as the big man on the court who helped the Blue Eagles cement a 4-0 run in season 88 of the UAAP before the team fell short with a 6-8 finish. Baterbonia had just graduated from senior high school at Ateneo de Davao University weeks ago. He then flew to Manila to enroll at Ateneo de Manila University and join the Blue Eagles men's basketball team. Take a look at who Baterbonia was in the eyes of his family, his many fans, and the institutions that shaped his too short basketball career. At 6'4", Baterbonia was a superstar on the basketball court in Davao region even before he joined the Ateneo Blue Eagles. In 2025, he earned for Davao its first ever Palarong Pambansa basketball title. He shone in the finals, scoring 19 points, picking up a Most Valuable Player distinction, and was named among the tournament's Mythical Five. Later that year, Baterbonia helped the Philippine basketball contingent clinch the gold medal at the 14th ASEAN School Games held in Brunei, Jerusalem. At the 2026 Palarong Pambansa, Baterbonia was again a star, helping his team finish as a runner-up. The president of Ateneo de Davao University grieved with Baterbonia's family and friends, calling the basketball player one of our own. In his statement, Carol S. San Juan, SJ, recalled how Baterbonia was one of the brightest young talents Philippine basketball had seen. And yet those who knew him remembered not only his skill, but his humility, his quiet leadership, and the genuine kindness he showed to everyone around him. We will forever remember him as our gentle giant, a young man whose presence brought strength, comfort, and joy, and who was truly an MVP on and off the court, San Juan added. Ising proud na producto ng Talakagan National High School sa Agusan del Sur at Kinatawan ng Ateneo de Davao University. Sibo bet a nagbigay ng Karangalan sa Davao Region sa Kanyang Hase. Dedikasyon at sportsmanship, Deep wrote in a statement. It appeared no one was more of a fan of Baterbonia, however, than his mother, Rovelyn. Mixed with Rovelyn's grief was the tormenting thought that she didn't get to see or talk to her son before he passed away, as she said cell phones during the team-building activity at the resort were forbidden. She also decried the public's rampant posting about her son's passing. Arriving at the Ninook Weno International Airport on June 9th to see her boy, Ruvlin could not help but share her heartache with media. In an interview, she anguished over the seemingly harsh training regimen her son and his teammates were put through. She expressed her desire for justice for her son. The PNP has ruled out foul play in its investigation of Baterbonia and Adili's deaths. Meanwhile, the Philippine Sports Commission has convened a panel to look into the incident in coordination with the police investigation. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.